I've seen a few posts online now about people talking about knuckle straps and they're so much better than the standard straps. And I'm still not sure which ones are going to fit the Quest 2 properly. I've had a quick look on Amazon, but most of them still seem to be for the Quest 1. But I have seen people posting about making your own DIY knuckle straps, either with ones they've purchased from previous controllers or just with the strap that came with it. So this will be a quick video showing you how I've gone from this, the standard setup that everyone uses, to this. Just a little DIY strap. It's free. It's made with the strap that comes with it. There's two options. The standard one will give you a smaller hands, for a fit for smaller hands, and the second option will give you a fit for normal size hands. Let's have a look. So this will be option 1 for smaller hands or smaller people, children that want to play. Put your thumbs on the battery compartment, push it forward. Remove the strap just by pulling it upwards. Now remember where the notch goes here, the notch is on the outside, so just pull that towards you. Make sure you've got enough slack between the plastic bit and the end, because what you're going to do is loop it round here, pull this through, and then put it back in where it came out of. Again, notch up the way, facing forward. Make sure to get the cable out of the way of where the battery compartment is going to go back on. Put your battery compartment back on and you're done. That's option 1, and it is for small hands. I have a little girly hands and I can't get my fingers around far enough to where they would be comfortable without digging in here. So then we go on to option 2. Option 2 gives you a bit more room. So we take everything back off again. And the only thing you're going to do different this time is you're going to grab a hair bobble, a hair tie, piece of rope, anything that you've got available to you. And you're going to pass that round the ring. And you're going to make your loop through that instead of through the plastic of the ring. So again, just pass this through. Loop the notch through it again. Move it over and put it back in with the notch facing up the way. Now, sitting the way it is, the way the other one is obviously far too big. You'd have to have big old giant hands to fill those. But what you can do is just slide this up so that it tucks around in there. And that is just tight enough for me to get into a position that's comfortable. But also it can take a bit of force without pulling back around. It will pull back around if you push it, pull it hard enough. But for general gaming, I don't think anyone's going to be putting that much force on it. So that's it, just a quick video showing you how it's done. Bear in mind it's a temporary solution. It's never going to be as comfortable as properly designed and manufactured straps are for that purpose. But for me, it gave me a chance to try it out, see if I did like the feeling of it, and I think I do. So I am going to order the AM VR ones. People do seem to say they fit on the Quest 2. So I'm going to give them a go, see what like they are. If you found this useful, hit like, hit subscribe. If you've got any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you again next time.